The rear automatic braking, or RAB system, can assist the driver when the vehicle is backing up. RAB operates when the shift position is in reverse, and the vehicle speed is less than approximately 9 miles per hour. If a risk of a collision with an obstacle is detected when your vehicle is backing up, the RAB system warning indicator will flash. The system will chime 3 times, and if so equipped, a red frame will appear in the center display. The system will then automatically apply the brakes. After the automatic brake application, the driver must apply the brake pedal to maintain brake pressure. The system will be automatically turned on every time the ignition switch is placed in the on position. Touch this key to temporarily turn the system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.